Hi students, let's look at some special property of logarithm. So we have already learned how to actually convert between exponential and logarithmic form. So let's see how. Essentially, if special property number one, we're gonna try and understand some of the basic property we learned from indices. So for example, we know that a to the power 0 is equals to 1. Alright, anything to the power 0 is 1, as a is obviously more than 0 and a is not equals to 1, right? So this case here, what we get is in general, so when let's say 5 to the power 0, this is 1, 10 to the power 0, this is 1, right? And we usually don't put 0 to the power 0, right? So we have like 7 to the power 0 equals to 1, okay? So anyway, we know that a has to be a positive number. 1 to the power 0 is 1 as well. So from here, what we could write this down in logarithmic form. This would be, remember the indices has to be the subject. So 0 is equals to log base of 5 equals to 1. This will be 0 equals to base of 10 equals to 1, and 0 equals to log 7 1. So here what we could conclude is actually log 0 is the subject, so log base of a 1 is equals to 0. All right, because this is what we learned in the second in E-math, right, in our elementary mathematics. This is special property number 1, after which we have property number 2, which is also this will be when a to the power 1 is a, right? Generally when a is obviously bigger than 0, and a not equals to 1, yeah. So this case here, what we typically write is like, say 7 to the power 1 equals to 7. Remember, a has to be positive because we don't allow negative for our logarithmic form. So say 5 to the power 1 is equals to 5 as well, right? 101 to the power 1 is 101. So this would be 1 equals to log 7 7. So this will be 1 equals to log 5 5, and this will just be 1 equals to log 101 101. So this, generally we could write this as log a equals to 1. Okay, just remember that. Yeah, so obviously if this were to change to base of e, we have when a equals to e, we will have log e equals to 1, meaning to say log base of e is ln e is 1. Okay, after which if when a is equals to 10, we could also write this, just replace 10 and 10 here. It will be 10 equals to 1, so this will be lg 10 equals to 1 as well. Alright, so these are special properties of logarithmic function, which we use in other questions. So just keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.